How to sort markets by hot. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sort markets on Binance by the hottest. And so let's start. Now we go to Binance app. As you can see, this is the home page. Here we can find all the markets, but if you want to sort markets by the hot, you should just click here on this option right here, and now choose a hot like this. Now all the markets are sorted by the hottest ones. So if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end, and wish you good luck with your crypto, and thank you for watching till the end.